Anika.
This is my friend Anika. She's one of my best friends. Today we're going to be doing a slime Olympics
thingy, yeah.
video. So we have some slimes here.
Only one of them is mine.
So we're going to be just like doing some tests with them and stuff. So see how clicky they are.
Crunchy test, the fluffy test. Wait, no, the crunchy test. You know, like the bubble test, like the bubble.
Yeah.
And then the swirl test.
Swirl.
And then the fluffy test.
Okay. So I have my first one here.
Ooh. Oh my god, this is sticky.
I know.
Oh my god, this is so pretty though.
It's like a mermaid slime.
Wait, well, let's do half and half.
Yeah, each take some.
So it's easier.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, you need more. There you
go. Oh, okay, thanks.
I'm gonna do let's both do swirl. Do a swirl.
Oh, okay. Look at me.
Hopefully the camera's getting this. I'm just gonna check to make sure it's getting it. Okay. Well. Sorry guys, for some reason the camera stopped when I went to go check it.
Okay, so I'm gonna redo the slime swirl because it's like. Oh, you wanna redo it too?
Sure. Yeah. Let's redo the swirl. So swirl time.
Swirl. Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm doing it.
Oh, I have the worst one.
Okay. No, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is mine. It's so horrible, and that's yours.
It evaporated.
Click it. Ready? It's pretty clicky.
It's clicky, but I don't.
Clicky.
It might win, maybe.
Maybe. I don't think so.
Oh my god! Look.
Let's do bubble. Yeah, bubble time.
Okay.
Bubble.
Wait.
Oh. It made a little one. It made a little one, look. Ugh,
okay, I'm going to redo it just in case that was like really bad.
So.
That was a weird swirl.
It matches your phone case, the color.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Phone case twins. Oh, that was so bad.
So that's all the tests we did? We did the click, we did the swirl, right? And the bubble. Do the swirl bubble again. Oh, you did it!
Okay, it actually.
Okay, next slime.
Wait.
Okay, wait. Try again.
If I can like actually do a big one.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, she did it. She got it.
Okay, I think this one got it.
Okay.
So it's pretty fluffy. Wait, we have to do the fluffy test.
Oh, we didn't do the fluffy test. Is it? Oh.
You just have to squish it. It's really fluffy.
It's fluffy.
Fluffy enough.
It's fluffy.
It smells like watermelon. There's a scent.
I didn't even add a scent. Okay, so.
Oh wait, we should name it.
Mermaid.
Mermaid Pearl.
Mermaid Pearl. Mermaid Pearl. Okay, let's name them. This is yours, right? Okay.
Oh my god, mine is so bad. It's a little sticky. It has like.
Oh no, that's good.
It has like golden.
What do you use for activator? I use Tide.
Yeah, I use Tide too.
Oh wow, twinsies. So swirl test. Ooh.
It's like it's sticky.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a slime.
And then I'm gonna do the bubble test. Oh,
yeah.
It doesn't really.
So that lost the bubble test.
It lost the bubble test, but it's pretty clicky.
Ooh, look at that. It looks like a creepy swirl.
Ooh, it's pretty crunchy. Ooh,
look at that. It looks like a creepy swirl.
Oh yeah, it does kind of. I like this slime.
You sure?
Pretty crunchy. It just doesn't make bubbles, but that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah, because it's like super sticky.
Collect it with this. Make sure there's nothing left on the table because we don't want to ruin the other slimes.
Okay,
So I have clear slime. Do I have clear slime?
This is like the only one that's mine. I know, it's pretty bad.
It has golden flakes in it.
Yeah.
Look. I hope the camera's getting this. Oh god, it can't get up to here. Wait, wait. I'm gonna put. Okay. That's where we can't go behind this line.
It was about to touch the thing.
Okay. So we can't go behind this because it only gets here.
Okay. It's pretty fluffy.
It's pretty fluffy a lot. Oh, this is very fluffy. I like this one. Okay.
I like that.
Did we do all the tests?
This just smells like Tide.
Yeah, it does.
Wait, what should we name it? This kind of reminds me of a present because gold.
Present, yeah, like the ribbon of the golden.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's name this present. Purple present.
Purple present.
Purple present. Okay.
Just like gathering it all.
Yeah, so that it doesn't ruin the other slimes on there. Yes. Okay. Oh. I don't have anything. Almost. Okay. All right. Next slime. Okay, so this one. I just made this one.
That's big.
I made this one like yesterday. So.
Oh my God! Look at that. I know the name of this. Birthday cake.
Birthday cake. Look at this.
It reminded me of a birthday cake. This set.
It's very cool.
Wait. Cookies and cream ice cream.
Yes.
Because that's the same color.
Yes. Wait. Click it.
Oh my God! It's so glossy.
Wait. I'm gonna make a bubble. Oh my God.
Oh my God. I thought that stuck to it. I'll take half, I guess. I don't know.
It's pretty sticky.
It's kind of fluffy. It's not the fluffiest, but
not as fluffy as the purple one.
I mean, yeah.
There's my swirl. Oh my God, it's so hard. There's my swirl.
Don't worry, mine's gonna be worse.
No, it's not. There's mine. Okay, and let's do a bubble now.
Sir.
This one can do a bubble because I've done it before.
Whoa! Look at that.
Oh, there.
Look at this.
Slime swirl of the year right there.
What?
Totally.
Totally.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh, I got it on the battery.
Oops.
I'll get it. There you go. Okay.
Now, I thought this was different slime for one.
So what is this? Cookies and cream ice cream?
Yeah. Cookies and cream slime.
Cookies and cream slime.
Wait, let me try to do that bubble again.
This is very.
I feel like I can
soft.
make that bubble bigger.
Okay, do it.
Okay.
Do it. Out of the way. Do it. Okay, back, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, it was there for a second.
Okay, wait. One last try.
Yeah, it doesn't get our faces in it. Well, barely. It gets your mouth. I'm shorter than you, so maybe you look at me. I don't think so. No, because when we sit, we're like the same. Okay. Oh my God.
Sorry.
Oh, jeez. It's okay. My dad won't be happy. Wait, oh, jeez. Okay, let's use something else for a block.
No, I'm kidding. You'll lose my phone.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh, I might have something in my backpack.
Okay.
Where'd my backpack go?
Time out! Okay, something creepy just happened. This is not even 3 a.m. This bag.
This is not even 3 a.m.
This bag, for real, the eyes just turned on.
That's
okay.
creepy.
And you have to press a button for it to turn on. That is very creepy. Okay. Where's the top? You have the top?
Here.
It's okay.
Oh my God, yeah, you could see our faces in here. Wait.
Okay, wait. Leave it like this. Ah, wait. Okay, leave it.
You can see our faces too. Wait.
I'll just leave it.
Up to there.
Up to here?
Yeah.
Okay. That's not a lot of room. Wait. Let me see.
Like that. That's
okay.
good.
That's good. Wait. So let me move this right there. Okay. Now let's go. Let's go back into the
Wait,
video.
no, right here, there.
Okay. But we have like until there.
Wait, sit down.
Okay. It's fine. It doesn't get our faces. It's not going to get our faces.
Okay,
ready? Let's go back into the video.
Wait, should I?
Wait, no, don't press anything. Oh, no, it is recording. Oh, jeez. It was recording the whole time. Okay.
Okay, that was so
Wait, where's the top? Okay, there. Can you grab that? Thank you. Back to the next slime.
Okay.
Let's sit down.
This is cookies and cream slime. Which cookies and cream is life?
Cookies and cream is life. This one is not that soft. I made this the other day. It was really good.
Oh my God. Chewed up bubble gum.
Chewed up bubble gum.
Cause like it has
chewed bubble gum.
Yeah, cause it has like these like.
It's pretty. Let's tear it in half. Wait. Put it in one and then tear it in half.
Sorry, took a hold.
So it has golden beads in it.
Did you hear that pop?
Yes, I heard that bubble pop. Wait, I'm gonna do a swirl. Swirl time.
It's not that stretchy, but it's pretty fluffy.
Whoa! I did a swirl. Is it getting it? Is it getting it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, got it. Yeah. It's very rippy.
I want to have the perfect swirl for this round.
A bead just fought. It's very rippy. Let me try to do a bubble, even though I know this is not going to bubble. I'm super scared that we're going to run out of room, even though I know I have tons of room.
Ready?
But I hope it doesn't just stop, because I already know that something creepy just happened. Wait.
Ready?
Oh, we have more room. Oh, no, we don't. Okay. Okay.
That was the worst.
That was good. That's a good swirl.
No,
okay, and I did the fluff. We did the fluffy test, the swirl test.
I didn't do the bubble test.
I did the bubble test. It didn't work.
Okay, let me try the bubble test.
Let me do it again. No.
At least
it's
kind of
crunchy
small
though.
Bubble.
Okay.
Oh no! It was like.
Oh, wait, it's okay. Just leave it.
It stayed for like 1 second.
This one is not that good.
This one is chewed up bubble gum, literally.
Chewed up bubble gum. Okay. Next one.
My hands.
This one. This one is kind of one of my favorites.
Ooh. Okay. Yay.
Okay. It's very soft.
God, this one's a fluffy test.
It's kind of rippy.
This
one's a fluffy test. Wait, you need more.
No, I don't. It's fun. Oh my God.
So let's do the swirl test.
This reminds. I'm thinking of what this reminds me of.
This reminds me of bubblegum, actually. No, salmon.
Oh yeah.
Salmon. I got it. There you go. I did it. Oh my gosh! Do you hear that? Let's see if this wins the bubble test. Win the bubble test. Oh darn it! This is so crunchy. I like this one. It wasn't good at first, and I was gonna throw it out, but then I kept kneading it, and it got really good.
Okay, that's good. Where's slime?
I have to keep checking on the camera just to see if it's recording.
Slime swirl of the worst year.
Nope.
Okay. I got this. Making a bubble.
Make a bubble. Oh! How are you so good at that?
It's like not popping. Look.
Oh, I did it. I made one.
That's weird.
It's thick. Because it's thick.
Do you see that? Does the camera
Look
see
at this. Mine probably isn't
Look,
in the camera.
it's not popping.
Can I feel? I don't want to ruin it. Whoa, what? How is... Oh, okay.
Well,
there we go.
pop.
There we go. That was going to be a viral video if that didn't pop. If that didn't pop. Let's go viral.
Going
I have to put hair in the slime. You'd be like, cut. I'm not hyped. Hashtag not hyped. Hashtag totally not hyped.
Hashtag did not eat all my Halloween candy right before this.
Hashtag did not. Hashtag, wait. Wait. Hashtag empty bucket of Halloween candy already. No, wait, that's too long. Okay, cool. Anyways.
Wait, I'm gonna try the
we need to name this. Salmon.
Salmon, wait. I want to try the bubble
Plain
again.
salmon.
I want to try the bubble again.
Okay, do it again. Because that was awesome. I'll move this so there's no stuff.
Oh, God.
Okay.
That was a fail. That should be on those epic fail videos.
Yeah. Maybe we should make an epic. No, that's going to be too difficult. So,
Ooh, this reminds me of mold.
One of my favorites.
Boogers.
Well, there's sand in here. It's a sand slime. It's sand slime. It's beach slime. I already named it.
Oh, sand slime. Okay.
Can you crunch it? Wait, look. Get back. It passed the bubble test. It passed the bubble test.
Dude,
okay.
wait. I want to try that.
Ah! Oh, God. Wait. Take it off. And now, no. Don't put that back in. That's getting out. Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
All right. Cool.
That did not happen.
So this is going in the garbage.
That totally did not happen.
I'm definitely not hopping over to the garbage can because fans know.
Look, ready? Wait, guys, look. Double
clicks. Let me make sure it's still. Oh gosh. Oh my god.
Double stretch. Oh.
Light problem. What is going on? Wait.
Put this in the middle.
Okay, guys, they fixed the problem.
Guys, look. It's small bubble.
Small baby bubbles.
Small you.
Pop it.
Cool.
I killed it.
Baby bubble. I'm gonna do the slime swirl test. Slime swirl. Oh, that was loud. Slime swirl test.
Oh yeah, slime. We didn't do the swirl. So let's do the swirl.
With this beachy slime, I guess.
Beach slime. We'll name this beach slime.
Or what about sand slime?
Sand slime. I did it.
Whoa, look how many lines this has.
Yeah. Whoa. Okay. All right.
It's not that clicky, but I'm gonna try the bubble test.
Whoa!
Oh my god, what if we try with all this?
Bubble? Okay, do it.
Yeah, let's move this.
Okay.
I'm just like shaking it.
Try not to. Okay. Let's not try to make this fall. Okay. Go. Do the bubble. The slime bubble. Oh, it was there for a second.
Let me try one more time.
Okay, one more time. Take a picture of that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys.
Wait, don't take the table, don't take the table.
Help us. Smash the like button. Subscribe. Okay.
Wait,
oh my god.
Slow-mo of it popping.
Oh my god. Okay. Get on your phone, do a slow-mo.
Do you want to pop it or?
No, you do it. You do it. And I can slow-mo this part, I think, of the video. Oh my gosh. It went down slowly. Now, put it together and crunch it. Crunch it. That's going to be quite a crunch. Yeah, put that all together. Okay. Let's put this away now.
I want to see the slow.
That was, oh my god, guys. Help us. Like and comment.
Look how big it is.
Oh my gosh. Wait. Show them the video because... they can't see it. Wait. Pause it. Okay. Hold it right there. Play. This is slow-mo, since I probably won't be able to slow-mo this.
Wait, why are the lights flickering?
Oh no, they're just old. My dad didn't replace the battery yet.
Did you see that?
Yes, oh my gosh.
Dude.
And it's slowly evaporating. Okay.
But like, yeah, that's basically it.
Last slime! I knew I was forgetting one. Wait a minute. Stay there, Anika, okay. I'm forgetting slime. Pause. Okay, so
that's weird.
Let's do this slime.
Birthday cake.
Oh no, yeah, we didn't do birthday cake. This one is very sticky.
You were just like,
this one is gonna be the last because it's messy.
Oh. I was just like, birthday cake, and you're just like,
I thought we were gonna use that. Sorry. And this, I made this yesterday.
Oh my god, that reminds me of my cousin's like.
It's called vegetable slime.
Patty? Oh yeah. Okay.
Because it has yellow vegetable colored beads.
It reminds me of a little bit like Fruit Loops kind of.
Oh yeah.
If you put this white
and then yes, I'm doing that. So
Fruit Loops slime.
This is veggie slime. Oh my gosh, it's not that stretchy.
It's crunchy, like.
It's crunchy, but it's not that stretchy.
Ooh, stretch. Oh.
This is my swirl.
Swirl.
This is my swirl.
I was gonna say booger slime, but then I was like,
no.
There's yellow and orange in there.
Corn. It's there's like corn, peas,
vegetable slime.
Yes. Carrots, tomatoes.
Look, this bad swirl. Look at this swirl.
This is so good. It looks so good. Okay, bubble test.
Bubble. Well, this is probably gonna make a good bubble, but like.
You try first. Okay, kind of, yeah. Let's see.
That was loud.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna try that again. Wait, should we combine it after and then try it?
Yeah, let's try it again here.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, that's so crunchy. Is it recording?
Hello.
It's recording.
Okay. Beep beep.
Okay, ready? Crunch it. That is so crunchy. Okay. Now we're
now my hands smell like Tide.
We're gonna have to wash our hands after this.
My hands smell like Tide.
So first of all, all the beads went to the top. Ready?
Whoa.
Put your fingers in.
Wait.
They can't see that.
Ooh, this is like sinky.
Wait, let me mix it together now.
Oh, I love when they do that. And it's like jiggly. Marcella!
Ah! Oh my god! Okay. So let me do this. Okay. Right. Mixing all the beads in.
There's like 90 beads on the floor.
I know. It's normal. Let me do the swirl test for you real quick.
Wait.
It's very sticky.
I need to take these off. Yeah, it's kind of sticky. But I mean, sticky. It's birthday cake. Birthday cake is sticky. That's normal. I never thought I'd be saying that sentence in my life.
Except on a YouTube video.
Yep.
Nope. But that's crunchy. It's kind of fluffy, but not really.
Swirl! That's actually a pretty good swirl.
It's kind of fluffy, but not really. Quick test.
This is
not clicky. Not clicky at all. It has lots of beads in it, and it's like, from the beginning, this is a very sticky slime. So I added, oh my gosh.
Baby bubble.
Baby bubble. Sabotage. Go. Leave a like on this video.
Oh my god, that was such a bite. Wait, I want to see if I can make a bigger one than that.
Yeah. Okay, get everything out of the way. She's gonna make a big bubble.
Look, this is so clicky.
I know, right? Oh my god, guys.
It's so clicky.
Okay, do a bubble.
Wait, I have to do a slime swirl first and then like put it into a bubble. That's slime swirl.
This video is 20 minutes already.
Ooh, that's normal.
That's normal for my channel. No. You subscribe to my channel. Oh my god. Whoa! Polly, I think I put your hand on top of it. I didn't realize that.
Okay. I'll show them again.
I'm just hopping around here.
Oh, sit down.
Bruh. I'm gonna add lots of subtitles. Oh my god! Like this video. Come on. Let's go, people. No, I'm kidding. Okay.
I took a picture of it.
Okay. Take a picture. Quickly. Oh, wow. Now pop. And now put this. Oh my god. Okay.
Wait, listen.
That is so good. Sadly.
One more birthday for you.
Time to put this.
Like this video to get another birthday.
Like this video to get another birthday.
Extra birthday presents for you.
Extra birthday presents.
And extra luck.
Yeah.
I feel like everyone says that. This is the worst slime.
No, it is not. Okay, guys.
We're going to pause the video and let the judges vote, which is us.
Okay. Okay, guys. We decided.
Okay.
So, I'll bring out third place.
Our first place is cookies and cream.
First place is cookies and cream.
It's like so clicky. Just like
listen to the click. Yes. Okay.
So we decided that was our first place.
Bring on second place.
Second place is.
You're supposed to do third, second, first. Okay. Oh well, go.
Stupid ass. Second place is mermaid slime.
Salmon slime.
Salmon slime. Yeah, it's mermaid.
This is salmon. No, it's totally mermaid, guys.
Yeah, it looks mermaidy.
I know, right? Also, guys, did you notice the new backdrop? You can't even see what it says. Wait.
Marcella loves vlogs.
Loves vlog? I love vlogs. Marcella loves vlogs.
Marcella loves vlogs.
Oh wait, how do you?
I said blogs.
How do you zoom out? There you go. Wait, what? That's how zoom out.
Did you play?
This is very zoomed in. It's like zoomed in on our face. Like, okay, wait. I fixed it. There we go. I fixed it. It's on the table now.
Did you play it?
Yes, it's recording.
Okay.
So with the mermaid slime.
Wait, just listen to this though.
Mermaid slime is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, now for the real third. Real mermaid slime. Not salmon mermaid. Oh my gosh, that's actually pretty clicky. That's actually very clicky. Oh my god, look at this.
Whoa. Pop.
Okay, that's very good. I really like this mermaid one.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Now we're going to do the bubble one next. So,
okay. So this is quick test. Let me pause the video.
Hey, guys.
Okay, guys. So, this time we're going to do it the right way. Third place goes to not mermaid slime. Salmon slime.
Salmon slime again, because it had a great bubble.
We're
not going to waste our money.
We're not going to waste our money, guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're not gonna waste our $100
We're not gonna waste our
showing it to
time
you.
showing the bubbles. Okay.
We already did.
In second place is mermaid.
Mermaid slime.
It's a birthday cake, cause like
birthday cake mermaid slime. Everybody knows.
I
That.
think you guys saw this.
You guys saw the bubble.
guys probably know.
You guys saw the bubble, okay?
And in
And first place goes to mermaid slime.
Sand slime. Click, click. Click, click,
Ow.
click.
Sorry.
That's perfect. Yes.
Yes. Last test. Not test. Winners. My bad, not the last one. The second to last.
So guys.
Third place is mermaid slime. The sand slime.
The sand slime
Again.
is like lit.
This is the. We didn't mention this is the swirl winners.
Oh yeah, the slam slime.
This is the slam slime, guys.
The sand slime was like lit. It has actual sand. in it.
It's so lame.
No one says lit anymore.
Okay, and that's
wow,
2016.
I'm so cringy.
That's so 2016.
That's how cringy I am.
Okay, ready?
In
Second place goes to mermaid slime. It's crayon slime.
It's crayon. It's Judah bubblegum. Crayons.
Wait, no. Isn't Judah bubblegum that one?
No.
Look, Judah bubblegum was that one. Guys, tell us. Judah bubblegum was this one. The one with the gold beads.
Oh, this was salmon, right?
Salmon.
Yeah. This one was like life.
Help me, guys.
Yeah,
I'm kidding.
I'm cringy.
She won this one second place.
She won.
She won second place, guys.
Okay.
All right.
And in first place, our winner is
Crunchy Mermaid.
actual.
Oh my god, it's actually mermaid slime. Okay, I won.
This one was just like
this one. Wait, can I show them?
Okay.
Can I show them? This was Yas.
This was
This one's Yas. This one's life. This is so life.
Yas. Lit. You have like the best.
Oh my god, no, I don't.
Look.
I put the last one.
Look, watch my swirl.
She's the best at it. No, she's not. No, she's not. Okay, back to the swirl. Okay, do the swirl. I think it's ready now.
This is cringy.
It's a good. That was really good. Okay.
So this one was like super shimmery and pretty.
The last test. Wait, what is this one?
In third
All right,
place.
the last.
In third place is mermaid slime.
Okay, so this is the
Last
fluffy
test.
Third place is mermaid slime. No. Any guess what is this called?
It's purple present.
Purple present. Oh my god, that is so good. Okay.
It's just like really bad.
No, it's not.
Okay. In second place,
I'm trying to put some.
with a score of 99.9,
Is
booger slime. Sand slime. Sand slime.
sand slime.
Super fluffy. It's like
Okay.
It feels like a doll.
We need to move on. We need to move on.
It looks dead. Okay.
Oh my god, this is 27 minutes. All right.
Okay. In first.
No, plus the first half we didn't. Okay, go.
In first place is.
Go.
I'm cream.
Cookies and cream.
Guys,
This is just
look how fluffy this is.
And
right?
it's not the click test, Marcella. What are you doing? Anyway.
Look how fluffy.
Okay, I don't think they can see how fluffy it is. Let's go.
Look how fluffy.
That's not what I meant. Anyway, no, that's not what I meant. So, guys, let me excuse you from this cringe.
I still have slime on me.
Okay, good.
Okay, good.
Sure, just put it on top of my container.
Look at that.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment if you want more videos with my friends.
Hope you guys enjoyed this.
Do you want to see another
This
video
slime
with
one.
Anika? Do you want to see another Olympic video with one of my friends? Do you want to see her again?
No, I'm cringy.
People they love cringe.
Cringe.
So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.